Or 3 months. 3 months after we moved into that house. So we hadn't done anything to it yet. Well, there was no furniture in there when we moved in.
Okay, now shh.
The old kitchen table set that we also did.
Watch Steve, watch Steve. By my doorstep. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
He's animated.
This is my message to you. Smiled at the rising sun. 3 little birds.
Look at Steve watching.
My doorstep. This is one of the ways I always remember him.